Good day, Dr. Amahanis. My name is Wong Pei Eun with matrix number 2988526. Today, I would like to present about lab assignment 2 with the title Worker Task Management System. At the first, this chapter start with main dot with the title Worker Task Management System, and then it will go to splash screen. So for the splash screen, it creates a simple splash screen for this system. For the init state, it shows for 3 seconds using Flutter delay, and after 3 seconds, it will automatically move to the login screen. Then it will show the gradient background and the worker logo image and the app's title with the circular progress indicator. It's just a welcome screen to the user when open the apps. Next, it will go to login screen. This screen using stateful widgets because login screen can change its state like remembering credential, and it have two text editing controller to manage the email and password input fields, and it have a chat box called remember me to remember user login details. It have a title which called login screen at the center and the worker local image at the top. User need to input their email and password. And to choose either need to use the remember me checkbox or not. After user fills their email and password and they click login button, it will go to login user to check if email or password fields are filled, and it will send the login data to a server called login user PHP. If it is successful, it will show a welcome message with username, and it will go to profile screen with user data. If user does not fill either email or password, it will show a message ask user to fill all the fields. Then they can log into the profile page. Then for the remember me filters, for the store credential, it saves email and password to device storage when checkbox is checked. Then it will show a prefer store success. If the checkbox is unchecked, it will show prefer remove. Then for the log credential, it will automatically fill save credential when the screen loads. When the user doesn't have any account, then the user click register an account. It will goes to register screen and ask user to fill all the field to register a new account. Then for the register screen is also use stateful widget because it manage multiple text editing controller from all the fields and can update UI dynamically. It also have a text bar with title worker register screen, and the user need to input their name, email, password, confirm password, phone, and address before they want to register an account. If one of the field is empty, it will show a message to the user to ask them to fill all the fields. And when the password length is less than 6, it also will notify user to input a password that is longer than 6. And when password is mismatched with confirm password, it also will notify user that password do not match. Then when the user press the button, the register button, it will pop out a message and ask user this, and notify the user, this will create a new account. If user click confirm, it will store the user data in the PHP. If the user click the cancel, it will not store the data. For register user is it use the API endpoint like register user PHP to store all the data. And if the response status code equal to 200, it will show registration successful to user. And then it will go to login screen, ask user to log in their register email and password. If the status is failure, it will show back an error message like email already exists or something like that. Then if the server error, it will show genetic error like server error, please try later. And it also have a catches exception like timeout exception to notify the user. After all the things successful, it will go to login screen and user can press back button to return to login screen. Then for the profile screen, it displays the authenticated worker details and provide logout functionality. It's also using stateful widgets to receive a user object through constructor require this user. Then the user model contains ID, name, email, phone, and address. It also has the title like worker profile on the top of the screen and a logout button at the top right. Then it has a small title right worker details and then have a part to show all the worker data like name, ID, name, email, phone, and address. Then if user click the logout button, it will show a confirmation dialog. Are you sure you want to log out? User can choose no, then it will close the line dialog. If user choose yes, it will proceed to log out. When user click yes, it will the share preference will clear all saved login credential and use push and remove until to wipe the navigation state. And then it will give a user feedback like logging out message snack bar during the process to notify the user. So now I will show the login with the registered account. When I click the remember me checkbox, it show the message and I will click login. Then at the worker profile, it will show all my details at here. Then if I close the apps and I reopen it, then it will show my previous email and password. Then I can just press login button. Then when I press the logout button, it will show me is it want to log out or not. If I click yes, it will log out. Now I will show how to register a new account. Then when I fill all the fields, then click the register button. it will pop out a message and show me, is it want to create a new worker account? If I click confirm, it will store my data at here. Just now the Emmy won one. Now I will log in for Emmy. Then I will press the login button. It will show Emmy worker details at here. So I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you.